To buy a phone for myself. So this is the phone I'm buying it right now here. That's Fine Brothers.
They're gonna go.
I bought the phone. This is a Oppo phone. All right. Yeah. Why, Yoma? Okay. I'll see movie here. The girl never time. So we are unboxing this phone right now. Unbox, I am. I'm videoing the thing.
Okay.
Yes. This is Fine Brothers Abakaliki. This is one of their staff. This is how the place look like. They sell phones. So we are going to unbox this phone right now here and see how it looks like. She had to convince me seriously to buy this phone. I've not used this product before. Let me see how it's going to look like. Yeah, I'm using Samsung J4 for Prime. So let's see. Does it have guarantee? No,
Yeah,
warranty.
2 years warranty.
2 years. Wow. So it has 2 years warranty. Alright, just like the J4, right? So
This is a rubber back cover it comes with.
okay, it comes with a rubber back
This is the
cover.
charger, the cords, and the earpiece.
Alright. We are going to see how I'm going to video with this phone tomorrow. Let's see how it's going to look. Okay, right now I'm still videoing with my Samsung J4 so that you people will tell me which one is better, if this one is sharper or the other one is sharper. We are going to check it by tomorrow.
What's my I want to buy Oppo.
He said he wants to buy Oppo. Okay, you are Oppo distributor here.
He's my colleague, don't mind. Let me test the charger.
Okay, no problem. Let's see if it's charging. Let's see what will happen.
It's charging 55%.
Hello?
Okay.
So you charge it to 100% before you start using.
Alright, no problem. I'm going to do just that.
This is a finished stand though.
Nne, it's an anime video again. Okay. Don't worry, video I know why you got na YouTube echi, my he got search. Search a plan with Helen, he got for video and never echi. Plan with Helen. Just search ya. You got for the video echi never. But make sure you subscribe. Very important and it's free.
Please write your name here, phone number, second.
What I was asking.
Plan with Helen. Eba.
Okay, continue.
Name. No,
Yeah.
first one, name, yes.
Alright. My name. I don't even know my name again.
Just write any name that is connected to
No, it's my name. I'm just joking now. I was joking. Why wouldn't I know my name?
your phone number, second.
Alright, my phone number here.
This is for we're sending it back to company
Okay.
for record in case your phone has any issue and it's going for warranty.
Alright. So, what else? Am I signing?
No, you're not signing.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So I'm sure I will now
Guys.